Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on Ancestry Library. Ancestry is a genealogy database for searching family history available at the Prospect Heights Public Library. Beginning and advanced genealogists will find a wealth of primary source documents in this database. To access the Ancestry database, you must be at the Prospect Heights Public Library. You cannot access this database from home. Once you are at the library and you are on a computer, you can find the database by going to the Prospect Heights main website, phpl.info. On the left-hand column, choose Online Resources. Then, underneath it, choose Databases Alpha. Ancestry Library will be one of the first databases listed as they are in alphabetical order. Simply click on it to access the database's homepage. Once you click on Ancestry Library, it should take you to this homepage. There are several ways to navigate the resource from here. The first way is the top black bar on the screen. You have options for Home, which is where we are now, Search, which allows you to search the various records for your ancestors, Message boards, which allows you to connect with other genealogist researchers, the Learning Center, which includes handouts and tutorials on how to use Ancestry, charts and forms, which you can download to help record and organize your research, and New Collections, which allows you to browse the new resources that have been uploaded into the Ancestry's database. To search Ancestry for records of your ancestors, you have a couple of options. You could choose to use the search function on the black bar, or you could try searching using the green button in the middle of the screen that says Begin Searching. If you know that you are looking for particular records, such as census records or military records, you could use some of the links just below it that highlight these particular kinds of records and search only for these types. For instance, if you knew that you were looking for only census records for your ancestor, you could try using Search Census. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, there are also other quick links to help you search particular types of resources on Ancestry, such as family trees, birth, marriage, and death records, city directories, school directories, and more. Let's try looking at some of the other things. If I click on message boards, it shows this page here. From here you can search for categories that you might be looking for a message board about, such as the Civil War or a particular name. If you click on Learning Center, it will bring up a variety of handouts to help you with your research and to give you tips on how to get started, how to use different types of records, and how to move on if you're beginning to be a more advanced researcher. If you click on Charts and Forms, it brings up several types of forms that you might want to download to help record and organize your resources and your research. For instance, you might want help creating an ancestor chart, or you might want to create a calendar for yourself to help remember who you've connected with and when you searched for particular ancestors. Finally, the New Collections button allows you to look at the card catalog, which has resources organized by the type of records. For instance, you can see that recently they entered some Polish registry books. And just beneath that, there's a resource for Massachusetts and the Boston Archdiocese Roman Catholic sacramental records. These might be helpful if you were looking for an ancestor in Boston who you know was a Catholic. At any time, you can get back to the home page by clicking on Ancestry Library in the left corner. If you have any other questions about using Ancestry or about genealogy research, please contact the library. Thanks for watching.